Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of construction worker in Mozambique? Let's explore. Construction work is an important source of employment across the country. The average annual gross salary is around $3,600, which is about $300 per month. After taxes, this comes down to roughly $3,000 per year, or $250 per month. In larger cities like Maputo, salaries are usually higher due to more development and infrastructure projects. In rural areas, pay tends to be lower. New workers may earn about $2,400 per year, while skilled workers with experience can make around $5,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.